Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Daraz Voucher code. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to your Daraz application, log in using your user credentials and you will see the dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll have to simply click on your account option at the bottom right corner. When you click on account, you will see an option saying Daraz Wallet. Click on Daraz Wallet. Now select My Vouchers under this section. Now you will see a list of vouchers that you have. If you click on get more vouchers, you can collect more vouchers from this page just by clicking on the collect button after any voucher available. So after you collect all your vouchers, what you'll have to do is navigate to any of the product, click on it, select it. Now you'll have to simply scroll down and you will see all your vouchers. Now you'll have to click on add to my picks, select add to my picks again, click on checkout. Now when you click on checkout, select the product that you want to check out and click on checkout again. Now scroll down and you will see a voucher option just under shipping free subtotal. So click on voucher and from here you can apply all the voucher that will be applicable. So select the voucher that is applicable, click on confirm and click on place order. And that's how you can use Daraz Voucher code. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.